Hi, Beanbeauties, Dita Bean here. How are you doing today? I have a fantastic bag. I have a sold out bag. Oh my goodness. And I was sort of strong armed into getting this. I said no. And I kept getting all these texts from everybody saying, are you going to get it? Are you going to get it? I'm like, no. So if you want to know what bag it is, then come on back. Okay, you may already know what bag it is because I might or might not put it in the thumbnail. But this bag just came today, and I'm doing a collab with Kim from Vida with Kim. So I'm going to try to make this short, although there is story time with this. So this bag I got from Nordstrom. It was on Nordstrom for a little while, and I think it's currently sold out of Nordstrom, and then it dropped on Coach, and it sold out like immediately. It sold out. So the little purse drama is Kim got her bag first before I got my bag, and then she was, I think we got screwed. I think they messed up. So we spent the good part of that morning trying to figure out if this bag was coming with their chain or not, because on the website it shows a chain, but in the description it doesn't show that there's a chain. There's only shows 2 strap and not the 3rd chain straps, but some of the other ones do. So it was pretty intense for a while. And I was like, well, I'm sending it back. If I don't get what everybody else is getting, I'm sending it back. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I haven't even looked at it yet. Oh, I'm going to show y'all through the bag. Look. Oh, y'all can see what it is. Oh my gosh, look, it's glittering through the bag. So this comes with Nordstrom, but it's not like factory wrap like you get from Coach, but this part is still wrapped. Oh my goodness, look at that sparkle. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now it took forever for them to ship it to me, so I don't know if I got the floor model. I don't know, so I'm definitely going to look this over very close to make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. Look at it with me. Do you see anything wrong with it? Before I get too excited, I'll put up a picture for y'all of what the website has and the chain that it has on there, so y'all can see what it was that we were looking at. Oh gosh, see, I don't know why that's like that, but here's the front. It's just sparkles. Here is the side. Here is the back. You have your zipper pocket there. And with these right here, the zipper here, they've been making this leather a little bit less, but it gets away, in my opinion, with the zipper. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. And here's the front. Now, if y'all have noticed, my Tabby buying days had been over for a little while. There really was not anything that intrigued me enough to get it. The Shirlene was on my list, and I was going back and forth, but I had resisted it for a little while. This time of year, I don't buy as much because we have so many birthday, anniversary, special events that go on starting basically October, mid-October through February, March. It's always a little tough for us because you have all of that, and then on top of that you have Christmas and the holidays, Thanksgiving, so a lot of expenses. So I usually don't spend a lot. This is not my buying season for myself. But when I saw this, I'd seen this before I got the text from Kim. Then a couple of other my other YouTube buddies sent me pictures as well too, and I was like, I'm trying to resist that. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, so looks like this is what's supposed to go on here to keep it from scratching. So it slid. It looks packed pretty well. But what I liked about this is that it looks like jeans. It's got the rough look of it, but then you have the detailing on here, and I can't do this. I can't put this on. So I don't know how well these are on. They're stitched just on the side. It doesn't look like all the sides are stitched down. On some of them they are, but not the bigger ones. See, the bigger ones are loose, but it's because they're only stitched on either side. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. But it looks so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How can I say no? So this is flappy like the soft tabby, which I like that. And this is what it looks like. So, yeah, it's all packed up. So that's good. It has all the stuffing. Oh, it even has the Coach bag. Usually when you buy from the department stores, they don't give you the dust bag. So many things to take off. They pack it very well. I love that because at least it comes from Coach, packed very well. Oh, I'm really liking this because it's slouchy. It's slouchy. I'm in my slouchy phase right now. This is a little bit different than, yeah, it's a little bit different than the other tabbies. The other tabbies I was looking at was a Shirley and the snake one. Oh, they were, you know, I had seen the Shirley and the snake ones first, and had, if the snake one hadn't come out, I would have grabbed the Shirley. If this hadn't come out, I would have grabbed the snake one. So I think I would have been getting something. It was just a matter of which one. But here, let me show you the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you have your back pocket here, and you have the Coach Creed here on the front pocket versus the very back slip pocket. And then you have the third slim pocket here. If you turn it this way, it has this little button pocket here. And there we go. And then it's usually, yeah, see, it's really tough. And then there's nothing on this wall and nothing on that wall. This is how big it opens up. It's got plenty of give, plenty of give. So I'm supposed to have 2 straps. So let's see. Here's the inside of this pocket. I was checking it over off camera for a little bit. Over here on the side, it has this bar here, this reinforcement bar. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Yeah. On this side and on this side to give it structure for the crossbody rings. I was trying not to take this off until I really looked at it and made sure that there was nothing missing or nothing wrong with it, because I wasn't going to keep it if it's messed up, you know. I'm past those days. Where is my box opener? I lost it. Chaos. It's chaos here. I'm working on about 5 different projects. I'm working on some another collab. I'm working on Christmas stuff. I'm working on recording and getting ahead. So yes, here's the short strap, and this looks like here's a crossbody strap. So both straps came. Now in the picture, see the picture where it shows that it has the chain tabby. I was already planning on using this. This is my soft tabby, my denim soft tabby, and I bought this chain because I was trying not to buy the chain tabby, and because I have a lot, and I thought, it's really the chain, so break down, and I paid for the high price of the chain, but I can use it on so many bags. Have I used it yet? No, it's been sitting there making that look pretty. I think they showed this chain on it. I'm not 100% sure. I have to look at the picture. So I had already thought that maybe I could do that, so it really weighs it down. I'm going to have to do a what fits and how this works out, because it is very, 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 very floppy. Very, very floppy. Okay, let me take this off because it's really weighing it down. Okay, so right now I do not anticipate sending this back. I looked it over again, and I'm going to go ahead and snip off the straps so that we can look at it properly. Okay, so here is the shoulder strap, And most likely I probably need chain extenders. And here's a better look at this without paper on there. It comes with this really pretty tag. Here's that side. So this is really thin. Usually this is a little bit thicker for these bags. Cause see, like this one, the denim one is like twice the size of that. So sometimes these are uncomfortable for me. So here is what it looks like with the shoulder strap. It's so cute. Oh yeah, nice drop. Look at that, it's so cute. Yes, I'm working on Christmas, y'all. All right, so the drop is good. The thinner strap I'm not too fond of, but I think it'll work. But if not, I'm sure I've got something else either between my coaches or my Doonies that are close enough that where I could use that, or even I could even use the crossbody. So here is the crossbody strap, and let's put it on. A shoulder, you know, it'll be a shoulder strap as well too. So always the trick that I have found so that you can try to tempt these not to fall off, because when you have these little doggy leashes, they tend, what happens is they tend to hit each other when you have them like that. So I try to turn them opposite, and then I put the strap for the long crossbody strap against the back part, and I put the shoulder strap against the front. Yeah, so plenty of room. So here's where it falls with the setting that it came. I have plenty of room to drop it down a little bit more. I might, here's a clearance. It's almost right in the spot that I like. I might move it down one hole to just kind of get it a little bit down on my hip. So when you're a bigger person, taller, wider like myself, then it comes in handy. For those of you who are teeny tiny, it might be too long. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, which is normally what they have. And they have this set on 1, 2, 3, 4 from the tongue down there. And that was just about where I like it. I might move it down one more hole for if I'm going to use it as a crossbody. But right now I've been enjoying my shoulder carries. Ooh, I want to try my magic strap with it. Let's see how my magic strap feels with this. Let me go grab it. All right, this is my magic strap. Y'all have definitely seen the brown one already. Oh, you've seen them all, but recently I showed the brown one, the chocolate one on my Doonie. I have shown y'all the black one on a video that's coming up. And this is the Vaqueta one. Bought them all from my large Rowan so that they would give that slouchy, speedy look. And then here's what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. This is the perfect drop. The perfect drop for me. It just feels like it's just a perfect drop, and it just fits with like every bag. Every bag I've tried it on, it fits. It fits. So if I don't like this strap and like how this is fitting on it, then I can use that. It's not too stark against it. On this side, you know, this is a little bit darker. It's not coming out darker in the viewfinder, but it's close enough to where, you know, it's not a big deal. But oh my gosh, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? How do y'all like this bag? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at it. Sparkle. Shine. Shiny.
My stuff is so shiny.
IYKYK. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Let's wrap up. Hold on a second. Okay, once again, Bean Beauties, thanks so much for coming. This video is a collaboration with Kim from La Vida with Kim, also Chicana Bling. Please follow her on both channels. it was a must. It was a must. Go over and check her channels out and see how her unboxing went. See what her reaction is. Uh, Thank you so much, Kim, for doing the collab with me, and thank you so much for alerting me of the bag again, talking me into it. I just, I'm a sucker for denim. I have been trying to stay away from a lot of denims have been coming out, but they put the two things together, denim and bling. How am I supposed to resist that? It was crazy, crazy, craziness. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming. Have a lot of content coming up for y'all the next few weeks. So just try to keep up as much as you can. I greatly appreciate it. And have yourself a nice, safe Thanksgiving, because I believe this is definitely coming out before that. Thanksgiving's next week. So make sure that y'all have a nice, happy, safe Thanksgiving. If you're traveling or anything like that, please be safe and try to enjoy your turkey or your ham. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me get to 2K. Love y'all. Bye bye.